See, Murugappa hockey, MCC Murugappa hockey is one of the brands today as far as the country is concerned. It is one of the most expensive hockey tournament in India with the prize money of 7 lakhs. And the Murugappa group has been supporting us over the years. And we from the Madras Cricket Club, we have been being a sporting club. This is one of our most iconic tournament which we have year after year. And we have taken this journey to 96 years. And now our objective is to see that we make this 100th year a truly international event. And for that we have started this year by getting a foreign team. So we got a Malaysian national junior team here. And hopefully next year we would like to get a team from Europe. And we are going to build up this momentum so that by the time we are in the 100th year, we will have a lot of foreign national teams which will be participating in this tournament. And we must thank the Murugappa group for supporting us. We are developing younger hockey players, aspiring players, because we are entering the schools tournament under 17, and we're inviting them to come and see the matches. We make it back to back. After the schools tournament, with a gap of about a week or 10 days, we have the men's tournament. We invite these kids to come and see the main tournament. They can mix a lot of ex-Olympians, Olympians are all play these tournaments. And so these people also see the top players play, and we are encouraging in a small way, both from MCC and from Murugappa group, how to take this hockey to forward. And next year, hopefully we'd like to have even girls tournament also, along with the boys. So, and Murugappa group is really encouraging us a lot in this journey.